In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Hootsuite password, ensuring your account remains secure and your social media management tasks run smoothly. Whether you're updating your password as a routine security measure, or because your old password no longer feels secure, I've got you covered with a step-by-step guide that will have you sorted in just about 5 minutes. First things first, let's navigate to the Hootsuite website. Once there, you'll immediately notice the login option. Don't hesitate to click on it, as this is your gateway to accessing your Hootsuite account. When you click login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to input the email address associated with your Hootsuite account to avoid any access issues down the road. After entering your email, the next step is to enter your password. Remember, this is the password you're currently using and intend to change. Once you've entered your credentials, click on Sign In to proceed. Upon signing in, you'll be taken directly to your Hootsuite dashboard, which is the mission control for all your social media management activities. From here, you'll want to navigate to your profile to begin the password change process. Look for the profile icon, usually found at the top right corner of the screen, and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you should then click on Social Accounts and Teams. Once you're in the Social Accounts and Teams section, go ahead and click on Profile again. Yes, we're going a bit deeper here. You'll notice an edit icon. Give that a click. It's designed to let you modify your personal information, including, most importantly for us today, your password. Following this, you should see an option for Account and Settings. Clicking on this will take you to a section where you can manage the specifics of your Hootsuite account, including security settings. Scour the options available until you find Change Password. This is exactly what you're here for. Clicking on Change Password will prompt you to initiate the process of securing your account with a new password. The system will ask you to input your old password one last time. This step is a security measure to ensure that the individual attempting to change the password is indeed the rightful account owner. After you've entered your old password, it's time to create a new one. Choose a strong, unique password that's not easily guessable. A mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers and symbols is always a good strategy for creating a secure password. After typing in your new password, you'll need to confirm it. This step is crucial to ensure that you haven't made any typos or errors in your new password. Double check to make sure both entries match exactly. With your new password confirmed, simply save your account information to complete the process. And just like that, you've successfully changed your Hootsuite password. Remember, regularly updating your passwords and ensuring they are strong and unique is key to maintaining the security of your online accounts. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your digital presence effectively.